Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. All right, my beloved kings and queens, welcome, welcome back. All right, y'all. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTier, and I am going to be your host for another Crafty Vision segment. So today, y'all, we're going to be making another tassel earrings, but this time we're going to be using some denim fabric, okay? So for this tutorial, you're going to need a piece of denim fabric, 5 by 5. If you want to make these bigger, you can. It's completely up to you, okay? You're going to need this is a clay bling bead. Clay bead. You can get these off of Amazon.com. They come in an assortment of colors, so a lot of different beautiful colors, okay? You need some fish hooks, of course, two clay beads, 2 pieces of your fabric, and you're going to need 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire, okay? Your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. And of course, y'all already know I'm on this kick with this yarn. So this is the color. It's like a rust. This is a beautiful color yarn. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using for this here how to make video. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we're going to do, all right, is you're going to take and of course cut yourself 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire, maybe one piece about 8 inches and another piece about 10 inches, okay? What you're going to do next, I'm just trying to move some stuff around so nothing won't be in my way. You're going to take your piece, right? And you're going to bring it over like this. And you're going to try to go into the center of it, if at all possible. So you're going to take it, come up here like this. Hopefully it's in the center. Do the best you can. And you're just going to bring it in, play with your pleats a little bit because it's going to be pleated when you do this. So you're just going to take it and just stay right up at the tip of it, at the top of it, okay? Just like this. All right, move it around, play with it, do what you got to do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our 12 gauge wire and start wrapping it around this part right here. Okay, so you're gonna come down, let's see. So I'm gonna take my piece and you're gonna come down. You're really gonna have to play with this, okay? I think this is the hardest part as far as these earrings. It's just trying to make sure that everything is in the center, but not in the center, but in the center, okay? And what you're going to do next is you're going to take your wire and you're going to come here and you're going to start wrapping this wire around like pretty much the tip of your piece. So you want to take a piece, bring it like this, and then you want to just wrap it around like this. And when you wrap it around, make sure that this short piece is on the bottom and that you are on top of that piece of the wire. And then let me show you what I mean. So as I bring it around, right, like this, see that? This piece has to be down the bottom and this piece is going to be up the top. Once you get that on here, right, it's easy peasy after that. Then you just start wrapping it. As you wrap it, you want to wrap it as tight as you can get it. Okay, so keep wrapping it as tight as you can get it. And you want to just work your way up. So as you are doing this, see what I'm doing? I'm working my way up, okay? So you're going to work your way up and try to make sure that as you are working your way up, you're going to start to see your tip get smaller and smaller as you are wrapping it, okay? You see where I'm going at with that? You see it's starting to get smaller and smaller. So you just want to continue to wrap. All right, continue to wrap all the way down, just like this. Okay. All right, see where I'm going at with this? See that? And you're just going to continue to wrap until you get pretty much all the way up until you are at the tip of your earring. And just keep going just like this. Okay, we are almost there. All right, now once you get here, right, you're at your tip. There you go. So once you get there, you are going to take and make, this is how your earring is going to look. So you're going to come all the way back around this way. All right, because I'm going to show you, you want your earring, you want the opening to be like, you pretty much want it to be like this. Not that way, because that's going to be the back. You want this piece where the pleat is, that's going to be your front. So what you want to do next is you're going to make a loop right here. So you're going to make a loop. And that loop that you are making, okay, is going to be for your jump ring to go in. And then you want to take, see that? And then you're just going to take it and wrap it back around like this. Just a few times. Just a few times. Wrapping it around. Okay. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to come to the back. And I am actually going to snip this off right here. Just like that. See that? So y'all, I'm going to take my pliers and come here and just squeeze that down in there. And like I said, this is going to be the front of your earring. So that's going to be the front. So this piece here, you want to just take and snip this just like that. You see that? A nice clean cut. And just squeeze that in just like that. Okay, so that's pretty much, that's the start of your earring. Okay, there's so many different things that you can just do with this right here. If you wanted to, you could leave it like this if you wanted to. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add on my yarn. Okay, put that right there. And I'm gonna add my yarn on. Let me find the beginning of this. Okay. All right. So now what you want to do is you're going to take and place your yarn just like this. You're going to place it just like that, and you're going to start wrapping your yarn around your piece. So you got it going up like that. Place your finger just like this. Hold it as tight as you can and start wrapping it around just like that. Okay, don't move your hand if at all possible. And all you're going to do is start coming down. Now, let me show you. I got my hand here. And you're just going to start wrapping this just like this, as tight as you can get it, okay? Now I'm going to go back to the front so we can see what's going on. See that? Okay. This is what you're going to have. And all you're going to do is just keep wrapping around. Just like this. Now when you're wrapping this, try to make sure that everything is, you want your yarn, believe it or not, to line up with everything. You want everything to line up together, okay? So I'm going to continue to just wrap this around. And I'm going to come down just like this. All right. Y'all can see where I'm going at with this. Stuff like this I love to create. I like making, y'all know me, right? I don't even have to say it. Okay. Keep going. And keep going. See that? Now you can stop at any time that you feel like you need to. You can stop at any given time. All right. We're almost done. Okay, I think I'm getting close to being finished. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it around one more time. I'm gonna cut my string right here, like that. Well, not my string, but my yarn. And I'm gonna take my hand and come around like this. And take this string, just like we did the last ones, and put it through this loop, and then pull it, just like that. And pull it as tight as you can get it. Okay, pull it as tight as you can get it. And this is pretty much how your earring is going to come out. Okay, it's going to be looking, all right, just like that. All right, so that's what you're gonna have. What you're gonna do next, once you pull it, you're gonna just come here and snip this. Snip that off. Let me see. My scissors. And then you're gonna come up to the top over here and you're gonna cut this. Now, if you feel like you need to, you can just take a little bit of glue or something that you have that dries clear, and you can put just a tad bit of glue over this right here. And the top, this right here, you don't have to worry about. But just in case if you think it's going to come loose, you can just hit it with some glue, okay? So the next thing we're going to do, and I mean something that's going to dry clear. Not anything that you're visibly going to be able to see, okay? So the next thing you want to do is you're going to take your bling bead and you're going to make a loop at the top of your wire, just like this, because we're going to be connecting this onto our piece. And you're going to slide that on like that, and then come here and wrap this a couple times. Okay, just like that. All right, and then I'm just going to take and snip that off. Squeeze this in. And then I'm going to take my bling clay bead, slide this all the way down, and make a loop, and then wrap this around your loop. So you're going to go all the way around, just like this, and come to the front. All right, just like that. And then I'm going to just take, let me see something, and snip this off right here. Okay. And then the very last thing you want to do is straightening this up. Is you're going to add on your fish hook. Let's add on our fish hook. Okay. Close it up. And then you're going to have yourself a gorgeous pair of tassel bling earrings. Let's try to bring this out a little bit so it can at least look even with the other one. There you have it. How gorgeous are these? Something new, something different that you all can add. This is another idea that you can add to if you have a business, okay? Another idea. It's always good to have something else, something different, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Thank y'all so very much. Please make sure, if you did not do so, that you thumbs up my videos so that they can go into rotation. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.